Welcome to Cosmical Conversations, where each story takes you on a journey through the stars and into the heart of our human experience. I'm your host, Astrid Sorensen, and today I'm accompanied by our narrator, Eva Cadence. Together, we'll peel back the layers of our enigmatic protagonist's story.
Hey there, I'm Eva. In today's episode, we begin the journey of Ramiel, a young man whose fiery spirit and quest for identity embody the essence of a warrior in the modern world. Let's get started. The Fire Within, Part 1. Our story takes us to Los Angeles, a city of dreams and conflicts, where the glittering lights often cast long shadows. It's in these shadows that we find Ramiel, a teenager with a spirit as restless as the city itself. Ramiel's days are spent navigating the complex web of urban life. At home, tensions simmer beneath the surface. His mother, a kind but subdued figure, provides a stark contrast to his stepfather, a man whose idea of discipline mirrors the rigid structure of the city's skyscrapers.
Every time he lays down the law, it's like he's trying to cage me, clip my wings. But I'm not some bird you can keep. I need to fly, to be free. That's why the streets call to me.
At home, the air is often thick with unspoken words and stifled dreams. Ramiel's relationship with his stepfather is a constant battle, a clash of wills where neither side yields.
He says he's preparing me for the real world, but what he calls preparation, I call control. He doesn't see me, not really. He doesn't understand that I'm fighting for something more, something bigger.
In the company of his friends, Ramiel finds the acceptance and understanding he craves. They are a band of rebels, each carrying their own story, their own fire.
With them, I'm a leader, a protector. We ride the streets, our laughter echoing off the buildings. We're invincible together, challenging the world, daring it to try and hold us back.
But this sense of invincibility comes with its own dangers. Ramiel's natural leadership, his fearless approach to life, often leads them into conflicts with rival groups. It's in these moments that Ramiel's true character shines through, fierce, protective, yet always riding on the edge of danger. The confrontations are not just with rival groups, but with the very essence of authority. Teachers, police, any figure of control, they represent the walls Ramiel is determined to break down.
Every time I stand up to them, it's a statement. I'm not just another face in the crowd. I'm Ramiel. I won't be tamed, won't be told where to stand, where to go. My path is mine to carve.
Yet beneath the bravado and the rebellious acts lies a deeper struggle. Ramiel grapples with the desire to protect his mother, to show her that there's a strength in standing up, in fighting back. He sees her subdued nature as a surrender, something he vows never to emulate.
I wish she'd fight just once. Show him that she's not just a shadow in his world. That's why I can't back down. Not at home, not anywhere. Because if I do, it's like letting her down, like accepting that the world is just unfair.
This inner turmoil fuels Ramiel's fiery spirit. Each act of defiance, each challenge to authority, is a silent cry, not just for his freedom, but for his mother's as well. And then came the night that altered the course of Ramiel's life. A night that began like any other. The city lights, the rush of adrenaline, the feeling of being untouchable. But as the night unfolded, in an abandoned warehouse far from the city's sparkling facade, the line between rebellion and reality blurred.
In that moment, everything slowed down. The sound of the gunshot, the shock in my friend's eyes, it was like waking up from a dream. A harsh, cold wake-up call.
The aftermath of the gunshot was a whirlwind of confusion and fear. For Ramiel, it was the end of one chapter and the beginning of another. A chapter where his actions had real, irreversible consequences. In the quiet that followed, Ramiel found himself alone with his thoughts, the echoes of the gunshot still ringing in his ears. It was a moment of introspection, a realization that the path he was on could only lead to more destruction.
That night, I saw it all. The anger, the defiance, the need to prove myself. It was all just fire, burning without purpose. And in that fire, I saw the truth. It was time to change, time to find a new way to channel this energy, this spirit within me.
Join us next time on Cosmical Conversations as we continue to unravel Ramiel's journey. We'll explore the aftermath of that night and the steps he takes to redefine his path, to turn the fire of rebellion into a flame of transformation. Until next time, may the stars be your guide.